Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Today's special session for motion. Okay, actually, it is problem of motion in one dimension. Okay, and G need troubleshooting. This is my WhatsApp number 9825245816. Okay, join Rushi Parivar. Okay, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, I send some problems to the students, and then they ask me difficulties. Okay, that I am solving here. Okay, if you haven't yet subscribe the channel, press the bell button, okay, and be a part of this channel, because I upload videos at different times, so you will get notifications, otherwise you won't get notifications. Okay, so it is a celebration of knowledge. Join us. So a body falling freely from a certain height covers the distance from point A 100 meter to point B 120 meter above the sea level during 10 seconds. What is the initial height of the body above point A? That is the question. Okay? Now see. Suppose this is sea level. Okay? Suppose this is sea level. Okay? We don't know the initial height of the body. Suppose it is here. That is initial height of the body. Okay, and it reaches to point A, that is 1100 meter above sea level. 1100 meter above sea level. And then point B 120 meter above sea level. Okay, it is like this. Point B 120 meter above sea level. Okay, so we have to find out what is the initial height of the body above point A. So this we are asked, capital H. Okay, height above A. So first of all, we will have to find out small h. Okay, and then we will subtract 1100 from small h, and we will get capital H. Understood the problem? Okay. So first of all, we know that here it is free falling motion. So initial velocity can be considered as 0 meter per second. Okay, and this is a motion in one dimension, so we can say d equals to v0 t plus 1 by 2 at square, where v0 is 0 and a is gravitational acceleration. Okay, we can consider it as 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, so our formula will be equal to d equals to half gt square. For this means particle reaching at point A. See, this is 1100. Okay, so it is falling from here. So this distance, okay, is h minus 1100. H minus 1100 equals to half gt square. That is equation 1 for us. Okay, and for point B, it is h minus 120. H minus 120. That is equals to 1 by 2 G, but see, it is after 10 seconds. Okay, so we have to take time as t plus 10. Okay, now subtracting 1 from 2. Okay, subtracting equation 1 from 2. Okay, in that case, h minus 120 minus h minus 1100 equals to half G into t plus 10 whole square minus half G into t square. Okay, so this h will be cancelled. This is minus 120 plus 1100. This 1 by 2 G is taken common. T plus 10 whole square will be equal to t square plus 20 t plus 100 minus t square. So this is now 980 equals to 9.8 by 2 into 20 t plus 100. See, if I take 9.8 here, it will be 100. Okay, 100 into 2, that is 200. So 200 equals to 20 t plus 100. That is why 20 t equals to 100. That is why t equals to 5 seconds. Okay, now we can find out h. We can directly find out h minus 1100, that is capital H. Capital H equals to h minus 1100 equals to half gt square. That will be equal to half into 9.8 into 5 square. That is 4.9 into 25 meter. Okay, so that is 25 nines are 2 to 5. So 22 will be there, so 122.5 meter. That is the answer. Got it? Okay, bye.